Hi, I'm Austin.
And I'm Elizabeth.
You know us from the REC of Grapevine, where we're typically on hand to help you reduce stress in your life through massage.
We are excited to be here today to present to you some other ways to alleviate stress. We're going to offer techniques to boost your immune system and enhance your sense of well-being.
Now more than ever, it's important for us to find ways to overcome the distance that separates us, to connect in meaningful ways, and to put effort into reducing the stresses in our lives.
We've been doing some things at home to help us strengthen our immune systems and balance our moods. We would like to see if some of you guys would like to try some of these techniques at your home. Did you know that our bodies are not just a physical being? We are also made up of energetic systems. Things like chakras, auras, meridians, are just to name a few of the bigger ones. Our energy systems are also made up of smaller components. They are called neurolymphatic reflex points. And when they are tender, that's an indication that toxins are building up. When toxins build up, energy struggles to flow. When that happens, our overall sense of well-being and feel good and health is being affected. I am going to show you some actions that we can take on our own bodies to help us stay healthy and elevate our moods. So here we go. Fingertips, both sides of your sternum, rub them. Go in deep. You can go in circular motion, you can tap, you can just press, but go all up and down the sternum. Look for tender spots. Tender spots are an indication that toxins are building up. When toxins build up, energy begins to get stuck. And when energy gets stuck, we'll feel it both physically, mentally, and emotionally. The next area to check is under the clavicle. Rub, tap, press all up under the clavicle. Look for the tender spots. Arm seam. Right in through here, the seams of the arms going down into the chest and the outside of our arms. Press, 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 press. The next areas are right under the rib cage. It's the bra line for women, men, on your bodies, it's the same area. It's on the rib cage. Next, we're gonna find spots right up under the rib cage. Hunt, find, press. Anything that's tender, you want to work it out to cleanse out those spots of the toxins and get the energy to flow. Energy wants to flow in our bodies. Tender spots tell us that it's stuck and toxins are built up. If we clear them out, and now you know how to do it, tapping, pressing, rubbing on the tender spots helps clear out the toxins, gets the energy to flow, and it helps us all cope with everyday stress as well as assists our immune systems in keeping us healthy.
This exercise is good for quickly getting centered in the present moment. Some people use it to alleviate feelings of anxiety. Take a deep breath. Now, name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can hear, 3 things you can touch, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. There you are, centered in your surroundings and connected to your world through your senses.